Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I received my package yesterday from Tester Korea. It's an online site where you can get samples and Korean skincare, beauty. I've been waiting for this package for a while. They did take a lot of time to get the details right. Certain things got sold out, but then finally it's here, and I thought I would like to unbox and share it with you. So let's dig in. This is a site which I've tried for the first time. I haven't tried this. I've tried a lot of the other sites, Beauty Net. Then we have Rakuten. But then this is the first time I thought I'll try this one. Rose Shop was the last one that I tried. They're all pretty good. What I'm going to do is, okay. They have boxes inside a big box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take these out. Okay, get rid. So starting with the first box, which was inside the big box. I'm always very scared when I'm opening these boxes in case I kind of rip whatever's underneath. Okay, so they had a promotion that if you were to spend 60,000 to 100,000 won, you would get certain samples free with the package. So my order was about 200,000 plus. I've tried to stay within the limit so that we don't get into customs here. So that is the tomato whitening special kit. Oh, I have samples from this from Beauty Net Korea, so that's nice. Then we have the foot peeling care. Well, something again I have not bought at all yet, and we'll try. Okay, they're very compact. The Fantastic Color Eyes by Etude House. I bought them in both the colors because you can't get these in any of the other sites. You get either one or the other. So this is something I wanted to add to my Etude House collection actually. And I have it in Rose Garden and Cherry Blossom. What I'll do is I think I'll just open up everything first, take them all out. Of course, real brownie. I've been waiting to try these. I've been just reading reviews about it and well, finally got my hands on them. Oh, okay. A bigger bag, of course. This is yay, the Wonder Pour Fresh Now. So small little story here. I bought it from Etude House last month, but I got the 250 ml and it's not, I realized it's too small, so then I went and put in an order for the 500 ml, which comes with the cotton pads on the side, which is a bonus. And we have the Market All Real crackers. So these are crackers which are smothered in chocolate, so looking forward to trying that. The good thing about this site is it just doesn't have just beauty, it has lifestyle things. You can get things for mobile covers, pretty little things, and food. Of course, you can try out at least the top foods that are famous in Korea. Oh, they sent a small thank you, and it's a packet of hairbands which are hair ties in red. Never tried. Okay, so that was box number 1. Good move on that side. And the second one, I hope the camera is in focus. I've put it a little high this time. Trying for these videos not to be too long. Okay, what I'll do is I'm just gonna look at it. And then I'll try again. Yes. Okay. Box number 2. We have another thank you, and the Skinfood tomato skincare, lovely. Okay, so this is strange, but I do not own a dry shampoo yet. I go into Boots, I look at the Batiste, but I never pick it up. But I can only pick it up when I order it online. So this is from Nature Republic, and it is a 1-minute dry shampoo. Packaging, guys, I mean, I got it for the packaging. It's tiny, I know, but it has about 150 ml in comparison to the Batiste ones, which maybe would have been the same cost. But just for the packaging. Let me start off with the cute one and then maybe move on to the regular ones. Okay, samples. And I have had God knows how many hauls that I have actually received from Korea, from so many different sites in the past 1 month. I never ever, I kept putting off buying this particular product. And okay, now I understand why people struggle in their videos opening up packages. Just the bubble wrap. Okay, sure. The Nature Republic aloe vera gel. I mean, this is something I have been put off time and time again, and I finally put in an order and got it. I'm gonna try this. I have an Indian one which I've been using, and well, it kind of gives dryness. So hopefully this is more nourishing. Then we have again another box of the crackers. I plan to I've got a lot of these market products, food products, because I want to share it with my family. And okay, so Eliza Weka Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. Again, lots of reviews. It's good. I saw the reviews done by so many people on their sites, and thought I would purchase this. And we have the Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer. I just got the Face Shop Velvet Primer in my last haul from Rose Shop. Thought I will try this as well because I have a major sebum problem. I just have a very oily face. And there's a small little thing here. Voila, one more foot peeling. Clearly I put in a huge order because these were supposed to be one of this, and the tomato was supposed to be 100,000. So yay! And there's a small little thing here. Looks like an eyeshadow. And then just quickly open it up. Yes, it is the Etude House. Look at my eyes. I think this is the cafe one because it's matte. I'm trying to increase my collection of the Etude House eyeshadows. So there you go. Keep that box aside. And last but not least, let's keep the box. going to say I've gotten better at opening the package, but well, 8, my words. Okay, last box. Yes. So, as I said, they have the samples and different types of products. I ordered the SK2 facial treatment mask. My sister's been wanting to try this, and I went and checked the prices in Dubai. One of Bloomingdale's. I went into Bloomingdale's, yes, and checked the prices, and it was much cheaper buying it from Asia. So I bought these for her, and hope she liked them. Then, yeah, I want to play around with my hair again. Bought a bleach pack from Nature Republic. Said it was quite natural. I mean, I don't know, you're bleaching your hair, but then I thought, why not buy at least a natural product and try it. I want to change my hair color to pink. So first bleach my hair because I have a dark brown shade. So yeah. Then more eyeshadows. So I had ordered, like I said, a lot of products from Etude house last month. I ordered about 2 or 3 shadows then, and it was very summery in collection. I went and ordered some darker shades this time. These are the ones which were out of stock, and I had a little delay in the whole package being sent out. It's a green, and that's a coffee pink, if that is a word like that, coffee pink. Okay, maybe I open the box upside down. Yes, another real brownie marketo. These are Holika's Gel Light Waterproof Liquid Liners. So I am going to be sharing a small quick video slash photos of the eyeliners that I bought. I got it in 4-5 colors. But then these are the liquid eyeliners. One is in a jewelish green and one is a bronzy brown. So these are for my mom. She loves liners. She plays around. She does really lovely eye makeup. So I'm going to share that with her. Again, another product which I did not order for almost a month, and finally, and it's so small. It's true, it's tiny. I mean, I don't have really big hands, but it's that small. This is the No Sebum Innisfree Blur Powder. Tiny baby. It's like a small baby of the regular powders that you get in the market. Then this is the Dark Circle Concealer Cream from Skinfood in the salmon color. You have heard a lot of things about this concealer. It's supposed to correct the bluish, purplish veins and things like that that you have under your eyes. So let's try this. Real chocolate crispy cafe latte. These are biscuits. I think so. Again, marketo. I got 2 of these to share, not just for myself. And then we have it in another flavor, which is crispy almond to share. And we have I love green tea. They had this thing which is the green tea latte. Got to try it. Comes in different sachets, so it's cool. And last but not least, well, instead of going and buying the SK2 essences and treatments in the full size, maybe I thought I'll try and start with the testers. So this is the facial treatment essence, and this is the facial treatment clear lotion. I have really sensitive, irritated skin which breaks out, decides not to break out, so I'm gonna try this. That was it, guys. So guys, here is the overview of all of the stuff that came out of the Tester Korea boxes. I believe they really did a good job of packaging and getting all the goods safely to me in buy. Just to do a quick close-up, we have the Wonderpore freshener 10-in-1 500 ml, which comes with the cotton pads. Then we have the Nature Republic bleach, which I plan to change my hair color with. The aloe vera gel from Nature Republic. Then moving on upward, you have the Eliza Weka Milky Bowl Clay Mask, supposed to really clean out your pores. And then you have the Etude House Fantastic Color Palettes. You have the Look at My Eyes eyeshadows. I didn't buy the shimmery ones. These are cafe and just look at my eyes. As you can see, one is a burgundy, a coffee pink, and a military kind of green, which has a little shimmer to it. So that's for my mom. Here is Innisfree Sebum Blur Primer, Deep Blur Powder, the Skinfood Salmon Dark Circle Concealer, SK2 samples for myself, the Essence and the Clear Lotion, and the packs, face packs, all the food goodies, Marketorial brownies in 2 small boxes and a big box. Then you have the real cracker in choco, which is of course smothered. Then you have the crispy almond flavor, the crispy cafe latte flavor, and the green tea latte, which I'm looking forward to having. And last but not least, these samples that they gave, which is the tomato whitening special kits, 2 of them, and the foot peeling packs, 2 of them. And you have a big bunch of other samples which I shall go through, and a small pack. All the samples had this small cute little sticker, which is amazing. I love cute things. And they gave me a packet of hair ties. So guys, this was my haul from testerkorea.com. Really lovely stuff. Looking forward to sharing it with my family and using the skincare products. If I can, I will share swatches and feedback on the products, especially beauty, that I have purchased. And thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and subscribe if you do, and leave your comments because I am new to this and I would like to improve. Thank you. Bye bye.